Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making homemade cookies and cream ice cream. All you're going to need is 3 ingredients: some Oreos, some heavy whipping cream, and some sweetened condensed milk. First step is you're going to pour in your heavy whipping cream. Since I'm going to be making a lot of ice cream, I use the whole quart. Next, you're going to start your mixer, but make sure you start it off on low and then slowly progress to high. Keep on mixing until you see stiff peaks. Next, we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk, the whole can. Start your mixer on low and then progress to high. It's Oreo cookie time. I'm going to be using 2 rows of Oreo cookies. Since I'm making a big batch, I want every scoop to have some. Next, you're going to put your cookies into a Ziploc bag and smash them, either with your hand or with a rolling pin. I was taking too long, so a special someone had to help me. Add the cookies to the bowl and mix. Make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl for everything to get incorporated when mixing. Give it one final mix, then we're ready to transfer. Make sure you smooth it out nice and even. Last and final step, crumble some cookies on top for extra flavor and presentation. Wrap it up with some cling wrap and put it in your freezer for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Take it out 1 hour before eating for the ice cream to get nice and soft. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be trying out this recipe. And enjoy!